Hey tech lovers, ready to see the future literally? Because smart glasses are not science fiction anymore. They're here, they're smart, and they're seriously cool. Today, I'm breaking down why smart glasses are quickly becoming the must-have tech accessory and why you might want to grab a pair now. First up, stay connected hands-free. Imagine answering calls, getting notifications, and even hearing your calendar updates all without picking up your phone. Smart glasses keep you in the loop while your hands stay free. Next, real-time navigation. Whether you're exploring a new city or biking your regular route, real-time directions right in your field of view means you'll never miss a turn. And let's talk about built-in audio for music and podcasts. They're discreet, stylish, and double as wireless headphones. Stream your favorite playlist or podcast, no earbuds required. How about talking to your glasses? Use your voice to set reminders, ask questions, or control smart home devices. Yep, they're voice assistant compatible. Ever wish you could capture a moment without missing it? Smart glasses let you snap pics or record video hands-free. Perfect for vloggers, travelers, and everyday memories. Heading overseas, some smart glasses offer real-time language translation, making global travel a breeze. And finally, style meets innovation. This isn't clunky tech from the early 2000s. Today's smart glasses are sleek, lightweight, and straight up stylish. Smart glasses aren't just a cool gadget. They're changing how we work, move, communicate, and experience life. If you're into cutting-edge tech or just want to look awesome while staying connected, this is your next upgrade. Drop a comment and let me know what you would use smart glasses for calls, content creation, language help. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Check the description on how you can get your smart glasses today.